So I just stumbled upon this game called LightCycle, and it's like a throwback to Tron but built in Rust. Pretty fascinating.
Wait, really? Rust? I've heard it's a great language for system programming, but a game? That's unexpected.
Exactly, it's got this cool retro aesthetic too, like 8-bit graphics and neon colors. The visuals seem like a blast.
That retro vibe makes sense, but how does it actually play? What's the gameplay like?
You navigate your light cycle, leaving a trail behind. The goal is to not crash into walls or your own trail or your opponent's.
Ah, classic. It sounds intense. Is it single player too, or just multiplayer?
Both. You can battle against AI or a friend. They even have adjustable AI difficulty from easy to hard.
That could really keep things interesting. But I'm curious, how do they manage the AI?
Great question. The AI has different difficulty levels with their reaction times and strategies changing.
Okay, but that assumes the AI is programmed well enough to make it challenging, right? Is it really effective?
Totally, the hard AI can even use aggressive boosts. It sounds like it could outsmart you if you're not careful.
Interesting. Speaking of boosts, how does the boost mechanic work?
You can double your speed, but it drains energy quickly. It's a strategic element, use it wisely.
That sounds nerve-wracking. I can imagine trying to time that just right. But what if I run out of energy?
Good point, energy regenerates when you're not boosting, so there's a tactical aspect to manage.
That's smart. It adds a layer of depth. And then there's the pause functionality too, right?
Yes, you can pause mid-game to take a breather. It's essential for those nail-biting moments.
I appreciate that they thought about player experience. What else is under the hood here?
It's built with the game framework JGES, making it easier for developers who are new to Rust to get into game dev.
Nice, but what's the trade-off? I mean, are there any limitations using this framework?
Well, GGES might have less flexibility than some other engines, but it's perfect for simple projects.
That makes sense. Shortcuts can be great for smaller projects, but does it get updates?
Yes, they recently added features like the boost mechanic and visual effects. The game is evolving.
That's cool. I've noticed how evolving games can really influence player engagement.
Right, it's a continuous cycle. Retro aesthetics mixed with modern gameplay could attract diverse players.
Absolutely. And the open source aspect. That could get a community going too.
For sure, people love contributing to projects they can modify. It sparks collaboration.
But does that also risk diluting the original vision? Too many cooks in the kitchen.
That's a valid concern. Balancing community input with a clear direction can be tricky.
And what about maintenance? Open source projects can be challenging to keep updated.
Exactly. Keeping everything functional and aligned with user expectations can become a massive task.
I guess part of the charm is how it evolves, but the sustainability often depends on the community.
Right, so would you say this game is worth trying out given all these elements?
From what I hear, it sounds like a fun, nostalgic experience with a competitive edge.
Definitely, plus, the blend of old and new could really engage players in different ways.
Exactly. It reminds me that sometimes simplicity can bring out the best in gameplay.
True, it's refreshing to see how a classic game can be reimagined for modern audiences.
For sure. And who knows, maybe it kickstarts a whole new wave of retro-inspired games.
That would be something, but do you think they'd have to innovate further to stay relevant?
Perhaps, extensions or spin-offs could help keep the community engaged and eager for more.
Right, still leaving us pondering how much nostalgia is too much in a game.
Great question. It's a tightrope walk between honoring the past and pushing through to fresh ideas.
Exactly, that's something worth considering. How does a game find its balance?
It's the interplay of innovation and honoring tradition. That's the sweet spot.
Totally, and that balance could define the future of gaming as a whole, right?
Definitely. The conversation about how old influences the future is ongoing.
And speaking of ongoing, I can't wait to see how LightCycle develops. It's full of potential.